To locate a book, you'll need two things: the call number and the collection. You'll find both pieces of information in the catalog. Different collections are located in different places in the building. For example, you'll find the new books and bestsellers near the entrance, while the reference collection is near the information desk. For an overview of these different collections, please see the library tour video. When locating a book, you'll first want to head to the right collection, which you'll see included in any catalog record. The other piece of information you'll need to retrieve is the call number. Carteret Community College, like most academic libraries, uses the Library of Congress call number system to organize its collections. While the Library of Congress system can accommodate a vast range of materials and subjects, it's very easy for library patrons to use. Call numbers will typically look something like this: letters, then numbers, then a letter, then a number. Let's look at this call number, a section, or line at a time. The books in a Library of Congress system collection run from A to Z. Each letter indicates a different area of knowledge. Often a second letter follows the first, based on the book's specific topic. Our example begins with HV. All books beginning with H call numbers relate to social sciences in some way. Books with call numbers that begin with HV relate specifically to social pathology, social and public welfare, and criminology. When we go to the shelf, we'll see the H books, followed by the HA books, then the HB books, etc. until we get to HV. Now we'll go back to our example and look at the number following the HV. This first number can run between 1 and 9,999. Our example is 6769, which is the number for social science books cataloged with the topic Crimes and Criminal Classes. So first we'll look for the H's, then the HV's, and now the HV 6769's. Once we've found this spot, we go to the next bit of the call number, called the cutter number, the W46 in our example. The letter is usually the first initial of the author's last name. As for the number, this second set of numbers is a little different than the first, as it is a decimal number, not a whole number. So we'll have to read these a digit at a time. W456 would come before W46, for example, because we read this line one digit at a time, and 5 comes before 6. Occasionally books will have 2 of these cutter sections. Just take them one at a time. One nice feature of the Library of Congress system is that similar books are kept together. This means it can often be useful to browse the shelves near one book to find more books on the same topic. In short, the Library of Congress system, while accommodating a huge amount of complexity and detail for catalogers, remains easy for library users. Remember, if you ever need help locating a book within the library, ask a librarian.